So, this is a super cool feature of the HomePod Mini, Audio Handoff, and it works with any source compatible with AirPlay too. So that means you can do this with Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, podcasts, or even audio playing through Safari. To use it, you need Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, then with the audio playing on your phone, simply bring your iPhone nearby your HomePod, you will receive a quick notification, and the audio will begin playing on the HomePod. And then, when you're on your way out the door, bring your phone near your HomePod, catch the sound, and you're on your way. So that's it for this week's HomeKit Quick Tip. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, if you found this video helpful, I'd love if you could hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you over in the next one.